Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dan and this is Fisher Jeep Adventures. Jacob's behind the camera today, so he's going to do all the filming. Today we're going to talk about first aid and safety, and for that we have our Medic first aid kit. If this is something you're interested in, please stay tuned for the video. If you're subscribed to the channel, thank you very much for that. Please leave a comment. I try and get back to you as soon as I see that they're posted. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we try to put out a lot of content that's got some value for everyone. With that being said, let's get to the video. All right, so Medic.com is a company that sells first aid equipment, supplies, packs. The one great thing about this company is that they are HSA approved, which means that if you have a health savings account and you contribute to that, you can use those funds for this. This is for the Jeep. I have one for our boat. Jacob's going to get one for his vehicle. They come in all different kinds of sizes, and the reason why I went with this one is because it's probably one of the best stocked units that's still in a compact case. I've been a paramedic for 20 years in the fire service, and so this has got stuff that I'm used to using or used to use every day. And so we haven't opened this up yet, so we're going to open it up and show you what's inside. Great thing about the case, it's small and it's compact. It's about 14 inches or so long and about 7-8 inches wide. It's got model panels on the front, and then it's got a place to connect this to a model panel on the back. This for me is going to go on the back seat of the driver's side, and then this is velcroed to the pack so you can easily take it off. Basically undo the clip, and then we got two zippers. Then inside you've got a bunch of different things. So up front you've got a set of Trauma Shears that are good for cutting just about anything. You've got two CPR shields if you ever need them. You got airways, a splint in case someone breaks their arm, cold packs. These are eye wash solutions in case somebody gets something in their eye. There's a myriad of different bandages. I got the Pro kit, so you can get the normal my first aid kit in the large size, which is what this bag is. The Pro kit is just an upgraded version of it that has a bunch of different things in it. There's electrolyte solutions for people who may get dehydrated. We have every bandage that you can ever think of that's in here, tourniquets, and I'll just go through it so you can see what's in here. So this is all just wound care, but what comes in here, there's lip balm, triple antibiotics, sunscreen, sting relief, hydrocortisone, and then there's aspirin, ibuprofen, all comes in this. This is all antiseptic stuff, so if you have there's hand sanitizer in this one, there's iodine, alcohol preps in case you need to clean something. Blister protection, you know, if you're out hiking or out and about and you get a blister, it's one of the worst things that you can have on your feet. This will help make that feel better. These are space blankets. Typically, if you get cold, this is a great way to heat yourself up. There is some compressed vacuum packed gauze. There's a rapid tourniquet in case something really bad has happened. There's glucose in case you have someone who gets hypoglycemic or their blood sugar drops too low. There's a emergency pressure bandage. Quick Clot in case the wound is really deep and they're bleeding a lot, at least from the venous side. Along with direct pressure, you can use Quick Clot to help stop the bleeding, and then cover that with a bandage. And then what's mostly going to be used is Band-Aids, and I have just about every type of Band-Aid that you can think of. The great thing about the Medic product is that all of these things come as individual packages. So if you use a pack of Band-Aids, you can go back on their website and buy a pack of Band-Aids, and it's going to go right back where it was. I have some extras. Like I said, I got the Pro Kit because I have some extra things that I wanted in here. Some of the things that I know that things have been used. So, you know, in case the cuts are deep, and a lot of times when we make mistakes, they're not small mistakes, they're big mistakes. And sometimes you need something more than just a Band-Aid for stuff. So different types of sutures, whether or not you're using a needle and a thread, or it's just a steri strip to help close the wound until you can get someone to a doctor. All this stuff is to try and reduce the impact of whatever might happen. One of the worst things that you can be out there is just be out in the, you know, 100 miles, 50 miles, 10 miles, 5 miles from nowhere, and something bad happens. And this would just at least give you the opportunity to do something to either help yourself out, help someone you're traveling with out, or help a stranger out that you may come up along the trail. A great investment. Like I said, it's HSA approved. They come in all kind of sizes. They also come with instructional videos. So if you have no first aid training at all, you can buy one of these kits, and along with it comes not only an instruction book, but instruction videos on how to use the stuff that's in there. I'm not sponsored by them, just like their product. You know, I think it works perfect for the Jeep or for any overlanding vehicle or any vehicle at all that you may have, because you never know when you're going to use it. So I hope you got something out of this. Visit mymedic.com. Check out their products. Like I said, they're HSA approved. Thanks for watching. This is Fisher Jeep Adventures, and we'll see you on the trail.